Hello, I hope you are well. Today I want to show you how you can create some interactive 3D rooms and some exterior designs in just seconds, using a few AI tools. I am also an AI-generated character, and I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT and Skybox to create some almost instant designs. You can generate these designs with your client to get an idea of what they like before you ever have to hit the drawing board. First, head to ChatGPT in your browser and log in with your OpenAI account. See the links in the description below to get started if you don't already have an account with OpenAI. It's free to use, and I asked it to write me 5 prompts for Stable Diffusion to generate some amazing interior designs. That's all I asked for, but you could be more specific if you like. Within a few seconds it generated 5 good length prompts, each with a different style of design. The reason why I asked for Stable Diffusion prompts is because the next AI tool we will use uses a modified version of this. Copy the prompt you like, then head over to Skybox from Blockade Labs. Again, the link is in the video description below. Paste your prompt into the text field, and then select a style. You can play around with different styles, but for this one I chose Interior Views. Click the Generate button and wait for about 20 seconds for your masterpiece to generate. Once your room has generated, click, hold, and drag to move around the room. You can also look up and down, and use your scroll wheel to zoom in and out. If you like, you can click the Generate button again and it will create a new room using the same prompt. Don't forget to download your first creation if you want to save it before generating a new room. The results are similar, but it's a totally different room, and you can just keep generating until you get something that you like. If you want something different, simply copy and paste another prompt from ChatGPT and generate again. Of course, you can also write your own prompts if you want something more specific. How about a retro-inspired design that takes inspiration from a specific era, such as the 1960s or the 1970s? You can also be specific about what kind of scenery there is outside, or even tell it to use large windows to take in the view. Or how about this cityscape view dining room from a sky-rise apartment? This tool is great fun, and you can use your own imagination and ChatGPT to create some lovely rooms. But what about creating some exterior designs as well? I asked ChatGPT to write me some exterior prompts for the original interior ones it gave me earlier. It matched the original prompts quite well, but with one problem. In each prompt it said, create an exterior view for an interior design. This confused Skybox, and I got some very odd, partially inside and partially outside designs. I could have easily corrected this myself, but I told ChatGPT what went wrong. It apologized and gave me 5 more corrected prompts. It's really amazing how it learns and adapts. So here we are on the outside, but as you can see we can't move around the building and view it from different angles. We are in a fixed spot looking around the whole landscape. This is actually handy for landscape design and for visualizing exterior buildings, but what if we want an actual 3D model of our building? Now it's time to get serious. CEDREO, which has a useful free plan, is my new favorite 3D building and interior design software. It's all online with nothing to install and is ideal for quick and simple modeling. You can draw intuitively in 2D and get instant 3D visualizations. I love the quick and easy roof drawing feature. Create photo-realistic interior and exterior renderings from your designs and present these to your client. It has many great features, such as easy-to-add wall openings from an extensive library. Complete your building from a great range of furnishings and render the final design with different lighting. The link is in the description below, and you can start for free. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and I wish you well. Goodbye for now.